Welcome to Kid Education TV. The more you learn, the brighter you shine. Let's learn the names of fruits in English. Are you ready? Let's go. This is an apple. Apples are red, sweet, and crunchy. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow and full of energy. This is a mango. Mango is juicy and very tasty. This is an orange. Oranges are round and full of vitamin C. This is a strawberry. Strawberries are red and shaped like hearts. This is a watermelon. Watermelon is big, green, and sweet inside. This is a pineapple. Pineapples are spiky outside and golden inside. This is a grape. Grapes grow in bunches and can be green or purple. This is a papaya. Papaya is soft and orange inside. This is a guava. Guava has tiny seeds and a sweet smell. This is a pear. Pears are juicy and shaped like bells. This is a cherry. Cherries are small, round, and bright red. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is brown outside and green inside. This is a plum. Plums are soft and juicy and purple. This is a peach. Peaches are fuzzy and sweet. This is a coconut. Coconuts have hard shells and white inside. This is a lemon. Lemons are yellow and taste sour. This is a lime. Limes are green and very tangy. This is a fig. Figs are soft and full of tiny seeds. This is a date. Dates are sweet and chewy. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranates have juicy red seeds inside. This is a blueberry. Blueberries are tiny and blue. This is a blackberry. Blackberries are dark and full of juice. This is a raspberry. Raspberries are red and soft. This is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit looks amazing and tastes sweet. This is a lychee. Lychees are juicy and white inside. This is a jackfruit. Jackfruit is big and smells strong. This is a durian. Durian is known as the king of fruits. This is a starfruit. Starfruit looks like a star when you cut it. This is a passion fruit. Passion fruit is small and full of seeds. This is a custard apple. Custard apples are creamy and sweet. This is a mulberry. Mulberries are small and purple. This is an apricot. Apricots are soft and orange. This is a gooseberry. Gooseberries are small and sour. This is a tamarind. Tamarind is brown and tangy. This is a persimmon. Persimmons are orange and smooth. This is an avocado. Avocados are creamy and green. This is a cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is orange and juicy. This is a honeydew melon. Honeydew melons are green inside. This is a cranberry. Cranberries are red and tart. This is a sapodilla. Sapodilla is sweet and brown. This is a breadfruit. Breadfruit is big and starchy. This is a soursop. Soursop tastes like a mix of strawberry and pineapple. This is a fig. Figs are soft and sweet. This is an olive. Olives are green or black and grow on trees. This is a quince. Quince is yellow and used for jam. This is a rambutan. Rambutan looks hairy but tastes sweet. This is a longan. Longan is like a little lychee. This is a jujube. Jujubes are sweet red fruits. This is a carambola. Carambola is another name for starfruit. Great job, kids! You learned fruit names today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kid Education TV.